Wow! This zoo is huge! I can't wait to see the animals! Let's have a fun day together! Welcome to Amazon Zoo! The trees are so tall.
Look at the colorful birds! They explore the rainforest section.
The monkeys are funny. They move so fast. This waterfall is beautiful.
The jaguar looks sleepy.
It is very big. Wow! That snake is huge! I have never seen a snake this big.
The Amazon is home to many species. Check this out, everyone! It's incredible!
We are learning so much. The butterflies are beautiful. They are everywhere. Look at the giant fish. That fish is bigger than me.
They continue their adventure.
I hear so many bird sounds.
These animals live in tropical forests.
I want to remember this day.
The turtle is very old.
The frogs are colorful.
Some frogs use bright colors for protection.
I like learning about animals.
Let's take a short break.
This juice is refreshing.
I am hungry after walking.
The adventure continues.
The zoo looks beautiful at sunset.
Some animals are more active now. The birds are going home.
It is almost time to leave.
I had a wonderful day. My favorite animal was the jaguar.
Thank you for visiting.
The family leaves with happy memories.
What was your favorite part?
I loved the butterflies. I loved the monkeys.
Everyone enjoyed the trip.
I want to come back again.
Maybe we will visit again soon. Goodbye, animals!
The zoo is full of amazing wildlife.
This was the best day.
Let's go home.
Their adventure is complete.
Thank you for listening and learning English with us.